Well, the wife gets the first ride, and we're just in dirt right now. Hello, YouTubers. What's going on? Got a couple of scooters in for the wife and I. These are Hover One Pioneer electric folding scooters. Alright, I'm gonna unbox it. See what we got. Okay. Looks like we got charger. We got an extension for pumping up the front tire, an Allen wrench, the screws to put the front end together, it looks to me like these handlebars go on the scooter, and then you tighten everything up. Alright, let's see. We can get this thing out of here. Well, they even gave us a hover pump for airing up that tire. Nice. Yep, that's a good deal. Have to figure out how it works, but nice to know. We got a little pump to go with it. And let's see. Get some more of this styrofoam out the way. Okay, here's the front. And a little quicker. This goes in here. Lock shut somehow. Looks like it's going to have to be adjusted, but anyway. And it goes on like that. And we got two screws in the front or the back, however you see it. Two in the front, two in the back. And then we got this scooter. Wow, these things are they're pretty good size. Woo! Yeah, this is going to be fun. Okay, so I am going to get it put together, and I'll show you more of what we got and what's going on with it. All right, well, here's the scooter. Looks pretty good. There's just stuff we get with it. We get a pump. We get the charger, of course. And then you get an Allen wrench and some screws and an extender to put air in the back tire. But I don't think I'm going to need it because I got an air pump. I'll be able to reach it. Yep. So that's pretty much it. And we have this little paperwork left in the box here. Instructions. Little Hover Pioneer card. So, yeah, that's what we got there. Alright. And you turn it on. There we go. showing the miles an hour, 3/4 charged, and you got 2 speeds. This is the first speed, which is a slow speed, and the second speed. And then 2 presses, turns on the lights, which seems to be pretty good. And then you got a brake light, or a back light. Let's see if it lights up when you brake. Oh, it blinks when you brake. Yeah, that's cool. And you can see there on the door, that sucker's pretty bright. Alright. So, alright, that's an unboxing, and I will get a more of a review on it after I ride it. Let you know what I think. Just a cheap $200 scooter, Hoover One Pioneer. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give me a like, comment, tell me what you think. And stay tuned for more. Bye.